how to make a truly delicious raspberry sauce that will make any dessert a special dessert with 3 ingredients. That's all it needs. And I'll make a start by picking these really fresh raspberries from just outside my backyard. You can't beat fresh raspberries. And here they are. A bowl of lovely fresh raspberries, some sugar and some lemon juice. So we take a pan, and this is one of my favourites. In the pan we go with the raspberries, then we can add our sugar. I've used 2 tablespoons, but you can use whatever you want, whatever you prefer. But that's enough for me. And the juice of half a lemon. Pop that in, give it a good squeeze. Then onto the hob, and we're going to cook this down low heat until the raspberries start to break up. So after about 10 or 15 minutes you have to make a big decision. How thick do you want this sauce to be? Because if you want it thick, you leave it on there for longer so that some of the juices evaporate. If you want it thin, take it off sooner. Now this is just how I want it. This is fairly thick. It looks a bit like jam really. Now to get the best out of our sauce, it must be passed through a sieve to get rid of all those nasty little seeds. We don't want those in there. We want this sauce to be really nice and smooth. So we keep working on this, get every last little bit. And of course, you mustn't forget, we've got to turn it upside down and scrape the bottom, because that's where the best of it will be. When finished, you can add it to your favourite dessert. Mine happens to be key lime pie, but of course you can use this sauce with any dessert that you wish. And it sure does taste wonderful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Bye for now.